Hey everyone.
Welcome back. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing before dinner time. Happy July. Happy July.
Happy July.
And so we've been kind of delaying this for a while. We actually bought this at Disney World. These were kind of like these little blind boxes called Disney Wishables. And so we bought 2 of them. We've been meaning to unbox them, so we will go ahead and
Unbox them.
So basically so this is what the cover kind of looks like here. And then these are apparently all what you can get. I don't know if they're secret.
Contains 1 out of 5. So
No?
probably not.
Alright, which one do you think you'll get?
I'm gonna get Donald.
I think I might get Minnie.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll see
We
if
shall
we're
see.
right. Alright.
No secret pull, but let's see what these are.
Yeah.
Oops.
At this point,
There's a little seal on this one.
yeah. There's a little seal. It's kind of cute. It's a cute little box.
I haven't seen these anywhere else unless they're online, but...
Yeah, I don't really see these anywhere else either. So,
Disney World was fun, by the way. I know you guys saw our unboxing of all of our stuff we bought. Yeah, that was fun.
ready?
I'm trying to figure out how to open this bad boy. Oh, there's another seal. It's okay, I got it.
Ready? 1, 2. Okay, I feel like...
That's a rip off.
I know, I ripped off the top 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was
Hey!
perfect.
Oh my gosh, you got Mickey and Minnie. Oh my
Nice.
goodness. There you
That
go.
was a cool reveal.
That is a cool review.
As I ripped the box, but it's okay. Hey, Maggie. Hi, everybody.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Aw, this is a cute souvenir from Disneyland.
Yeah.
Right.
It's perfect, Mickey Minnie.
Thank you guys for coming along. We love y'all. Bye.